Get livinggold.com. It's where you want to be. Investing in gold, shining brightly and carefree. Physical.
How a gold IRA works. Beginner's Guide. Starting a gold IRA is easier than you might think. Step 1. Choose a custodian. This is the company that helps manage your gold IRA and ensures your gold is stored securely. Step 2. Roll over your current IRA or 401k into a gold IRA. This step is usually easy and tax-free, and it gives you more flexibility in your retirement strategy. Step 3. Buy physical gold. This gold is stored safely, often in an IRS-approved depository. Just 3 steps, and you're diversifying your retirement with an asset that's been valued for thousands of years. Ready to take control of your retirement? Visit the link below the video or goldforthefuture.com to get a free gold information kit now. Get your free gold guide now from one of our top recommended companies, Birch Gold Group, by clicking the link below the video or by going to goldforthefuture.com now. Why Birch Gold? With a long history and a top reputation in the industry of helping people diversify into precious metals, Birch Gold Group is one of our top picks, offering a low $10,000 minimum investment, secure storage, and excellent customer service. Get more information right away and get started on your precious metals investment journey.